Have stained or yellow teeth. I'm gonna show you my AuraGlow before and after results. Look how much whiter they are now.
Like many people, years of coffee, tea, and everyday foods left an Asian woman's smile looking dull. I wanted a brighter smile without spending hundreds of dollars on professional treatments. The kit includes an LED whitening light and whitening gel designed for easy use.
My teeth weren't terrible, but noticeable stains had built up over time.
The process was simple and only took a few minutes each day.
I applied the whitening gel evenly across my teeth. After a few days, I started noticing small improvements in brightness.
By the end of the whitening period, the difference was becoming obvious.
My teeth appeared noticeably whiter compared to the beginning. The transformation is remarkable. These photos really highlight the improvement, especially the lighting.
I commented that my smile looked brighter.
One thing I liked was being able to whiten my teeth from home. There was no need to schedule appointments or spend extra time traveling.
If you're looking for a convenient whitening option, AuraGlow may be worth considering.
Everyone's results can vary, but many users report seeing visible improvement.
That's why so many elderly East Asian people are trying at-home whitening solutions today.
AuraGlow offers a simple and convenient way to whiten your teeth. Ready to see if AuraGlow can help brighten your smile too? Click the link in the description below to learn more about the AuraGlow Teeth Whitening Kit and get started today.